Now, Rosalind, when looking at your financial position, it seems to me that at the end of each week and month, you're left with a big fat zero. Most of the time, you are in deficit, correct?
Yeah, so I've sort of had to find ways of saving money, really.
Of course.
Yeah.
Now, in 2017, there seems to have been a discussion about a laptop. What was the discussion, Mum?
This is what I remember. Nicole bought a laptop, and after she bought it, she told me she bought it and that she needs to pay it off from finance. And she
That's
said,
the laptop? Still got it? Still using it for college?
Yeah, it's in my bag as we speak.
Still at college?
Yeah.
Splendid. Do carry on.
And she said that she asked me if I could pay money each month towards the finance. And I said yes.
Now, that's not free income you've got, correct?
Yes,
Why did you agree?
because I felt it was my duty to help her.
How much did you tell Mum the repayments were?
£25.
£25. Thank you very much. Is that your understanding of it? It was £25 per month?
Yeah, that's what she was asking me to pay each month, yeah.
Understood. And so consequently, you agreed to make those repayments?
Yes, but at first I didn't recall agreeing, but each time I go over it, maybe I probably did, but I just can't remember.
Well, let's assume that you did agree to make those repayments of £25 a month towards the finance on the laptop. But bearing in mind you were going to extend a loan to your daughter, you put the fact that you were giving her £25 a month and you wanted it back in writing.
I didn't put it in writing.
Why not?
I just didn't feel I needed to, because she's my daughter.
Well, when did you want the money back?
Well, I've just come to the conclusion that it is difficult for me to pay the money. So, you know, it would be nice if I could have a certain amount of payments I've paid back.
Difficulty is when if you don't have written agreement, isn't it? Nicole, has Mum always made those payments on time to you?
No.
How on earth would you get it? Did you have to remind her?
I'll just text her, like, can you transfer me that money this month?
And in fact, it's right to say that you used to send text messages. Also, Mum, I need that money. Have you transferred it to me? Now, can you read the one at the bottom on the left-hand side? Right at the bottom.
Mum, have you put the £25? Yeah.
£25 towards a laptop.
Yeah.
Understood. How many payments were made, madam?
I would say I've made at least 6 payments.
And so, consequently, it's roughly £150,
Yeah.
right? I assume you've had the schedule of payments. In other words, what you've seen is the agreement that Nicole has with the finance company for the laptop, and you've seen each of those £25 going to the company. Have you seen that?
No, I haven't.
But you've paid over those £25 each month for the laptop, correct?
Yes, I've been paying, but I haven't seen the agreement.
Well, do you have the finance agreement with you?
Yeah.
Michelle, could you get it? Whilst that's happening, I should tell you, I looked at this morning, Mum, and it's going to appear over there. Thank you very much.
I can't see it very clearly. But...
Oh, let me help you. Can I ask you to come up to the screen, please? This is the finance agreement that your daughter entered into. Can you see how much the monthly payment is? It's right at the top. Read it out loud. It's the first amount.
£15.67.
Thank you very much. Mum, please do go back. What's the problem here, Mum?
She's been asking me for more than she needs.
Quite so. In fact, it's right to say that you've been taking £9.33 per month, more than you asked for. You're welcome. Did you transfer me that £25? You implied to Mum that the payments for the computer were £25, when in truth they were £15.67.
Can I explain?
No, you may not. This is the first time you've discovered that you've been giving £10 extra per month, correct?
Yes.
Not happy?
No.
Do you think that she's lied to you?
Yes.
What's the explanation?
Well, I'm at university and you don't give me any money to support myself. I work as well as study. I mean, £9 extra a month, you give me £0, so I just thought it's a way in of getting a little extra money. It isn't easy living as a student, it really isn't.
Nicole, whether that's true or not, Mum offered to assist with a laptop. You took £10 extra without telling her. Does this go back to the fact that you feel that Mum should support you and hasn't been there for you in the past?
Yeah, and I was just being a little bit cheeky as well, I guess. It's a way of support. A little bit extra helps, doesn't it?
You misrepresented the situation, right? You lied, right?
You could say that.
I did say that. That's what you did. How's that funny? You know how difficult it is for Mum to run this house. You know the truth, right?
Yeah.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.